How to add private channel on Discord mobile easy and fast. Hello guys, in this video we show you how to add a private channel on Discord mobile easy and fast. First go to Discord and then select your server, and now all you need to do is just click this plus icon, click on it, and then choose channel name, test, and now choose channel type like voice channel or text channel. Let's do voice channel, and now only all you need to do is just click this one, turn it on, and then click this one. And as you see, the private channel has been added, and that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.